Yeah, and then even breaking it down so everybody understands it a bit more, because it's such a fluid kind of trading exercise. Like my stops are basically in around the candle structure high.
Yes.
So then I always go for positive expectancy. So I always go for 2 to 1 on every single trade that I'm in. So this is the first part. The whole part of that is that let's see how we can boost our odds in our favor.
Yeah.
So if we're looking at a market like Tesla that's just taking a huge dive at the moment, it's not going to happen forever, but if it's taking a huge dive at the moment on the daily charts, right? On the 5-minute charts, it's still trending down in that. We then come back in to test what we call like the value area or the area of congestion that we're coming in. What's the auction area? If as long as we're under there and we're getting some bearish candle patterns, I'm good.
So just to be clear, in terms of the auction, is the auction everywhere really in terms of every candle?
Yeah.
But the auction area is where it's, as you say, most congested, meaning the area that seems to be the mean, the average of where price action is interacted for that day or whatever time frame you're on.
Yeah, correct. So if we rub this out for a second, for those of the people in the world that may not have seen another chart type, because everybody focuses on candlestick patterns, right?
Yeah.
So with market profile, right? So like what we do with market profile, it goes A, whatever like that, right? For the first half and like for the first set of trades, right? Then what will happen is, depending on your designated time frame, would normally do this for half an hour, okay? If the price goes up from where A finishes, so let's say let's say for this period for 5 minutes, that's where it ends. B will be here, B,